Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can invite your friend to play together in Mobile Legends game. So for example, on the right, someone is online, we can invite the upper ones and the lower ones are playing. For example, first select the type of match, classic or ranked, and then you can click the add icon on your friends who are online. Right, invite it and just click start game to play together with your friend here invited. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. So you can select OK to live to your teammate, or just click start to play the games. Bye.